Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and you all, we have a very special edition of Vellabox this month. I'm like really excited about it because not only did I get one box, but I got two because a lovely day is coming up very soon, and that is Earth Day. So we will be talking about the Earth Day box that I also received, as well as my monthly subscription box that I always get from Vellabox, which features small artisan brands here in the USA. Super excited about that. But before we do that, elves, you know what we must do first. Yes, first things first. Lipstick of the day, everyone. Get into the glam. This was a total moment. Did it in 20 minutes. I'm pretty happy about that. But lipstick of the day is from MAC, and this is Spirit Lipstick. Oldie but goodie, super great, and I'm really digging it. Next up, we have fragrance of the day. You all, this was the fragrance of the day because it was literally 40 degrees this morning, so I figured why not pull out one of my winter bangers. And this is none other than from Nishane, and this is Ani. And yes, I did get compliments today while wearing this bad boy. And yeah, it's a powerhouse vanilla. So good. I have a full dedicated review on this fragrance. As always, definitely check that out in your spare time. And I'm gonna give you all a bonus because I'm really digging today's eye look, and it's an oldie but goodie palette I created it with. And this is from Colored Rain, you all. Colored Rain's Queen of Hearts palette. If I'm not mistaken, this was like the first eyeshadow palette they did. So yeah, definitely check that out. No association with the brand, it's just I'm really loving it. Again, I've had this palette for over 5 years, y'all. So yeah. It's that good. And I'll have it in the description box for you all to check out too. So all right, elves, let's get into today's video. So all right, elves, with today's box, we're gonna unbox it. I'm gonna start out with the monthly subscription. So with my monthly subscription box, let's see here. The message of the month is we know more from nature than we can at will communicate. Its light flows into the mind evermore, and we forget its presence. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Oh, he's an OG. And they also have a Spotify playlist, so definitely check it out. That is the box for today. And let's see what we have here. Oh, this is so appropriate for April and Earth Day, you all. So with Vellabox, as always, I've talked about this many times, but for my new elves, let's talk about it. Vellabox is a monthly subscription service that features artisan candles from small businesses. They're very clean burning, whatnot, and they all have a different message and motive behind why they're made. And they have a whole website. I do have a code as well that I will have all that information in the description box for you all to check out. But alas, let's get back into the April box. This month's box, this is the Hare. That's the brand, and the scent is Rainwater. The notes are Lily of the Valley, Green Leaves, Ozone. Oh, this one got a little wet. But check out my candle for the month. Really digging this. And let's see here. The company Hare is based out of Canton, Connecticut. Cool. And they have their Instagram, which I have. I will put that in the description box below for you all to check out. Motto: complex scents, simple packaging, and strong values shows itself in every aspect of Hare's process. Owner Jenny made it her priority to create a candle that did not contain any animal ingredients, then took it a step further to make sure it was free of any toxins, anything harmful to the environment. Okay, that's cool. They're carefully curated, custom blended scents, largely inspired by nature, wanderlust, and the changing seasons. Okay. On top of it all, they donate 5% of their profits to JP Farm Animal Sanctuary in Connecticut. Oh, so this is great for those that are my animal lovers. I know I have some elves that are animal lovers. I see you all's avatars. So yes, they are a great company for my animal friends. And again, that's the company Hare. So let's get into this candle. It's 100% soy wax. This really does smell like rainwater. Okay, I don't know how they do that. Single wick, again, soy wax. The notes again are Lily of the Valley, Green Leaves, and Ozone. So yes, this is very fresh and green, and it smells like how it smells outside when it's about to rain and right after it finishes raining. That's cool. And we also got this time the surprise item of the month, because we always get a bonus item every month. The surprise item is the propagation cone. This is to help turn your candle jar into a plant growing situation. And I'm glad they added a demonstration on how to do it. And this, of course, is again a celebration of Earth Month, which is April. Earth Day is on April 22nd. And yeah, it's really great. It helps to cut down on waste. So we're going to reuse the candle jar and turn it into a plant growing situation. And I'm digging that. And they have instructions on how to take care of your plant and make sure it grows, which I need that because you all, it's been a minute since I planted something and it grew. So that is the April box. And again, the company is Hare. All the information will be in the description box below. And when you use my code, you do save $5 off of your first subscription. So super excited about that. All that information is in my description box for my elves that are interested in Vellabox. So now you all, we're going to transition into the special Earth Day box that was also sent this month. And I'm really excited about this one. Okay, y'all, the Earth Day box is really special because look, it came with confetti. Check that out, you all. And the special Earth Day box is in partnership with Scentbird. I literally opened this up just to film, so I have not smelled anything. You all are getting a true unboxing experience for all of my candles and fragrances. This is cool. We got 4 fragrances in here too. And I have not, again, unboxed anything. This is super great. So yes, again, this box again is in partnership with Scentbird, which is a fragrance perfume subscription service. I have their information as well in the description box. But yes, we got 4 fragrances. Ooh, nice. The brand is Sanctuary and they all have different names. Okay. And let's see here. And of course, I mean, it's Vellabox. We gotta have a candle. So yeah, this thing is really packaged well, but this is my candle. And yeah, I am tearing it open on camera for you all. Ooh, okay. So we have a candle. Check this out. Oh, this is nice. It's ceramic. This is different. Single wick candle. That's very spa yoga smelling. Okay. So let me get the card out. And this is the Earth Day box, everyone. Again, it's presented by Vellabox and in partnership with Scentbird. This is very exciting. This is for all my people that are here from Mother Earth and Earth Day and everything about taking care of the planet and taking care of our animals. So this is the box for you. Super excited. So the candle I got is Forest Floor Pottery Candle. And the notes are amber, oak moss, and tonka bean. I like it. You definitely smell the tonka bean the most in this candle. And it's supposed to be warm and earthy like the smells of the forest after a powerful rainfall. There is a sense of calmness and rejuvenation as life is brought back to the forest. Okay. And you all, so let's talk about the fragrances they sent me. Again, the brand is the Sanctuary fragrance line. Check these out again. And these are all 8 milliliters, so 0.27 fluid ounces. And let's see, scents inspired by nature, designed to nurture. $10 of your purchase goes to saving the endangered animals and their habitats. And they have more information about all of these scents. Let's just unbox one to see what they actually look like. Oh, these are cute. Okay. Check that out, you all. Look how detailed these spray atomizers are. And of course, you twist up to get the atomizer out. Okay. So since I have Red Panda open, let's see here. Red Panda is supposed to be sweet and woody. It has notes of blackcurrant, bamboo, vanilla orchard, and sandalwood and jasmine petals. So, okay. Okay, I kind of want to smell this right now. I do. I actually want to smell this right now. Sweet and woody is right up my alley. I like that. That gives it kind of a unisex vibe in my opinion. Oh, this is good. You wanna know what this actually kind of smells like, you all? But like the eco-friendly version, y'all. This is like a cousin to Baccarat Rouge 540. Oh my goodness, interesting. And again, the notes are blackcurrant, bamboo, vanilla orchard, sandalwood, and jasmine petals. Oh, you all, the Red Panda one, its contributions go to the Red Panda Network. Oh my god, this smells really good, you all. Red Panda is amazing. Not an exact dupe, but it's in that family of Baccarat Rouge. Interesting. I like that. And again, that is the Red Panda scent. Very, very nice. Okay, I'm digging these collaborations with Scentbird, with Vellabox. I'm digging this. Okay, the next one we have is Amore Leopard. And this one is gray with an ombre effect. Let's see what's going on. Amore Leopard is a fougere warm. Okay, this is going to be masculine then. Interesting. Fougères, I'm normally like barbershop type of scents. Interesting enough. So let's see here. Notes of rosemary, apple, warm amber, heady leather, and tonka bean. Yeah, this is going to be masculine. I can already tell. Let's see what's happening here. Amore Leopard. Let's see what you're talking about. Ooh, this is masculine. This is strong. Oh, y'all, this is strong. Oh, this is man, honey. Man. Amore Leopard is straight up man. I can't wear this. I'm gonna definitely have to get the head elf's nose on it because, yeah, he's my resident man, obviously. So, but it's good. I smell the warm amber in here. Again, Amore Leopard, very, very masculine for sure. Now the Red Panda, I'm still loving you. It's fruity and woodsy. Oh, I like that one. I'm digging that one. So next up we have is Vaquita Dolphin. So Vaquita Dolphin, let's see what you're talking about. And each one of these fragrances, again, donates to a different cause. Again, Red Panda goes to the Red Panda Network. Amore Leopard goes to the Phoenix Fund. And now we're on Vaquita Dolphin, and it goes to Save the Whales. Makes sense. So now let's see, Vaquita Dolphin. We have notes of sea salt accord, fresh water lily, red currant berries, juicy pear, and a touch of cedarwood. I don't know how this is gonna go. And it's considered a fresh and floral. Let's see what happens. I'm enjoying the Scentbird journey right now. Okay. Earth Day's gonna be smelling good. Oh, this smells literally like a water lily. Oh, this is very aquatic and floral for sure. This is definitely, they named this right, fresh and floral. And it makes sense that it will be Save the Whales. That's the foundation. Vaquita Dolphin though, she cute. She cute. This is unisex to me. The cedarwood gives it a little touch of masculinity. So yeah, this could definitely go either way. Okay, Vaquita Dolphin, fresh and floral. I do agree. I like that. Very, very nice. Oh, wear that fresh out of the shower. And then the last one is Javon Rhino. Interesting. I think this is going to come with the heat because it's a rhino. And yeah, rhinos don't play games. And this goes to Save the Rhino Foundation. So let's see what the rhino is talking about. And check out the bottle. It's an ombre brown. Okay, let's see. So we have notes of sandalwood, sage, tonka bean, fresh figs, and crisp bergamot. And it's supposed to be woody. This is going to be masculine, I can already tell. This is masculine, but it's soft masculine. Ooh, I want the head elf to wear this one. Okay, Javon Rhino, this is woody, but this is summertime woody where it's not gonna choke everybody out. I like this. Okay. Dare I say, a lady that likes masculine scents could pull this one off. It's not too much, but it's still definitely woody. I like it. Javon Rhino again goes to Save the Rhinos. So all right, you all, I'm really digging this. Yeah, Earth Day box is lit. It's on special pre-sale right now, you all. It's available on pre-sale through April 22nd, which of course is Earth Day. And when you order it on pre-sale, you actually save $50 off for everything I just featured to you. Full retail value is $138, but yeah, again, you save $50 off, so it'll only be $88 if you pre-sale it, pre-order it right now. Super excited. And again, each order from the fragrances, $10 goes to the respective foundations of which you order from. So I'm very excited about that. So all in all, I'm really excited and digging Vellabox for this month. I will say I'm definitely digging. Yeah, I have to keep saying this again. Red Panda is my favorite of the fragrances. It's the one I recommend and would totally purchase. Again, thank you to Vellabox for sending this over to me to review as well as to share with my L's. As always, I do have a code with Vellabox to save some coins if you want to join the Vellabox family and subscribe. I enjoy getting my monthly happy, as I like to refer to it, because I like seeing what new businesses I get to explore. I've also connected with different brands, brand owners. I love small business, as you all know. They are the lifeblood of the country. Love them. And yeah, Vellabox, thank you again. And yeah, happy Earth Day in advance, everyone. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.